In this quick and easy Photoshop tutorial for beginners, I will show you how to blur the background in Adobe Photoshop. I have this picture which I would like to work with. I have a car and I would like to blur the entire background around the car, and that's easier than you think. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new layer only with this car. Let's use this tool, which is called Object Selection Tool. And now, once you have the tool, click on the object which you would like to have clear in your photo. Let's see. I just click on my car, and now I'll show you how to fix some issues. As an example, if we use this other tool, Quick Selection Tool, now I'll show you the basics. If you hold Alt on your keyboard and use your mouse wheel, you can zoom in and out in Photoshop. And if you hold your space bar, you can drag along the photo with your left click. Let's zoom into this tail right here, because we can see we have some pixels which shouldn't be selected because that's a part of the background. Now with this tool which I told you, Quick Selection Tool, if you hold Alt on your keyboard and you click once with the brush, you can tell Photoshop, hey, I want to deselect these pixels. Alright, and if you want to include some pixels, as an example these pixels, hold Shift on your keyboard and now click with the brush. And if you want to make your brush bigger or smaller, you can readjust from here to 1 pixel maybe. This is very useful. Or if you want to go extremely big, you can type 50. But that's something with which you'd like to work with. Usually I will repair things with just 1 pixel. Let's also include these pixels, and let's just go around the car pretty quick. Okay, and I took my time more or less to go all around the car, and now it's almost perfect. Once you're done with this part, now press Ctrl and C on your keyboard to copy and Ctrl and V to paste. And we can pay attention at the layers, a new layer has been created. Basically, we just copied the car. And Ctrl and Z you can undo. Now, what we have to do, let's select the background, not the layer that we just created. And we have to go to filters here in the top side menu, select blur, and we have a couple of options to go with. If you have a person or something static, you can go with the Gaussian blur, and from here you can select the intensity 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think with 4 works the best. And we could leave it like that, it's pretty decent, but I will show you a trick. We have a movement feeling here in this photo because of the car, so I'll not use the Gaussian blur. Instead I will use, let me show you, is the motion blur. Now with this one, let's see how can we play with it. Angle, let's go with 0, and now let's have a look on the distance. This is normal, 20, 50, 100. Nah, 100 is too much. I think I'll go with 35. So this is the easiest way, in my opinion, how to blur the background in Adobe Photoshop. I hope you enjoy it, and thank you a lot for watching.